So the trauma facility in Florida that is going to be in the middle of Hurricane Milton has sick people that are too unwell to be transferred anywhere else. I'm on the verge of crying because one or two things are going to happen. Nurses and doctors are going to stay behind and ride it out, knowing that they're going to experience 15 feet of water. First responders that have family that do not feel that it is most appropriate for them to stay behind won't, because of other obligations. And those people that are in the hospital that cannot be moved